Hello guys, we are in the sea and I'm going to show you how it looks like when it is raining. So I'm turning my camera into the rain now, and now you can see how it's raining into the sea. I hope it will come here very soon, because in here now I get the dew like this, the drops. It's raining. It's raining heavily now, and I'm going down. Yeah, it's raining. It took only few seconds to come here. But it's not raining to that side. You can see it's very clear in the sky, but this way it's raining. And rain is moving. And it's getting end in that corner, and it is moving to this side very fast. Now it finished the raining. We are totally wet in our bath, and you can see the rain is moving to the deep sea. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you on Sea Life.